Good morning. I hope everybody's doing well. I see a lot of discrepancies. Even had one guy post on my channel, which I'm not going to provide his comment for his privacy, but shut the R6 off. That thing picks up anything and everything underneath the sun. But we're going to hook this up to the Bridgecomm SWR watt meter. I'm going to take off the TH R20 20-inch 6 meter 2 meter 440 antenna. I want to see what this thing does on 6 meters. I've been calling CQ till I turn blue in the face, and there's nobody on 6, or I'm just not getting out. So let's progress. 152.525. Even though the altimeter board is in there, let's key up AA1PR 0.28. 280 milliwatts is all I'm getting. Oh my god, this is disgusting. It's supposed to be 3.2 watts or something if you watch another video on YouTube after you do the Mars modification. This Mars mod was already done on this radio. Okay, I just checked it. AA1PR, it's in low 1. It's a low power. Okay, let me go through the power settings. Low 2 now. That's even worse. That's even lower. Low 3. AA1PR. Not much difference in low 2. We're on high power now. AA1PR. 0.28 watts. This is totally disgusting, man. This is not what I bargained for. I thought it was going to have 3 watts. At least that's what a guy shows on a YouTube video. Like 2.8 to 3.2 watts. Yeah. Something is wrong. Okay, I'm going to go to 146. 0. AA1PR testing. It's 5.2 watts on high power there. Let me go to 440. We're on 446. AA1PR. 4.5 watts. So it's transmitting. Let's go to 220. We're on 223, 500. AA1PR, 2.2 watts on high power. Let's go back to 6. Okay, I'm on 50 megahertz. AA1PR, 180 milliwatts on high power. Let's go to 52. 52 megahertz. AA1PR testing. 290 milliwatts. Let's go to 54. Okay, we're at high power, 54 megahertz. AA1PR, 300 milliwatts. That's rather disgusting, man. Oh, son of a gun. Maybe I'll sell this thing, buy an old VX5 or VX7R or 8R or something with more power on 6 meters. It's probably half my problem, why nobody can hear me on 6.